Taco. We gotta go outside. Come on. Don't you want to go back out? Let's go. Come on. Come on. You're gonna pee-pee, right? Pee-pee. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright, Banana. Let's go. There's my shadow of Austin. Okay. Alright, everything's really icy because there was like an ice storm or something. And he was slipping everywhere. It was really funny. Oh, he's peeing. I'm going to try and get him to slip. Oh, it's cold. It's really cold. I've got slippers on. Do-do-do. Come on, Taco. Jeez Louise. Over here. Come here. No, over here. I know it's cold, but come here. Taco! Come here. Come here. Come here. I know, it's so cold. Oh. Look, see? It's just freezing ice rain. That's all. Okay, guys. Okay. Look. Here. See these? This is grass, but it's like... Oh my god. Oh, he's slipping everywhere. Whoop. Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay, bye. I guess he wasn't done. God damn it. Take that poop.